Hi, thank you very much for your likes and subscriptions. Thank you for your comments. I continue try to explore some new materials to work with when I'm creating my handmade jewelry and pendants. And also I exploring more about some adhesive tapes, adhesive stripes, paper, and I found quite interesting solution. And I'm gonna share in this video what you can use to do your to create your handmade jewelry using new types of adhesive paper or adhesive material. Checking for some new adhesive paper or plastic, I found on sale just for $1. There's 20 sheets of beautiful, actually, tile stickers. Yes, it's for tiles, and it says high-end tile stickers. The quality is very good, and they're not thin. They're actually like quite thick, and I would say a very good quality. I don't know if it's paper or vinyl. I can read actually the instruction, and it's quite good kind of description of the tiles. How they use this type of tiles, the stickers, it's for tiles, for washrooms, for kitchens, and I like the design of stones, so I like it so much. And like 20 pieces set cost me just $1, kind of very cheap because it was on sale. And because I like stones, I was thinking, what if I make some kind of like pendants or earrings? So I took this kind of wooden shapes, and I try just to put on a wooden shape. So I can show you, I cut it here, and I found it's a very unique material. It's beautiful, and I don't even think if I need to put any kind of gloss or varnish because it's already shiny. It sticks very, like it glues very, very well because it's made for tiles, right? So it's sticky and it's protected from water. So I will cover just edges and here the back, or I can do like from both sides. And I found it's a really good idea. So if you find some other type of tile stickers, don't afraid to use them to make your jewelry, because there are so many different beautiful tile stickers. I don't know how expensive they are in reality, but again, you will get 20 pieces, which is quite a lot. It's enough even for some pendants, for some other type like necklaces, so you can make your own beads. So this is how it looks, and I didn't finish it, but just share the ideas what you can use. What else I found? I found this type of stickers. It was $1 also per entire set of the stickers, and it's usually for scrapbooks, like to decorate something. And I was thinking, what if I try to use these stickers and I make some pendants, or even later some earrings, right? So this is not finished completely. I have to cover with some, I guess, varnish or probably Mod Podge, and I have to cover the edges. I don't like this kind of wood type edges, but it sticks very well and it looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous. Actually, I have one little stud earrings already covered with epoxy. Here we have, look at this beauty. I covered with epoxy because I wanted them to be beautiful and shiny. So this is really nice. I really like it. So this is another idea, and I really like it, the stickers. So I will make some jewelry, handmade jewelry, using this type of stickers. What else on my mind? This type of stickers. It's animals, it's flowers, berries, and mushrooms, and this like houses. And usually it's in a pair, so you can find two the same. So you can make some earrings, or you can make some necklaces, and I will show you the result. I know it's not a full time, but I was experimenting with a kind of new collection. I probably will create for full time. So this is stickers at different size. This is, I guess, 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters, and I use just wooden shapes and like regular wooden shapes, and I put it on wooden shapes, like I paste it on wooden shapes. It's quite adhesive. Then I covered with epoxy. I wanted like shiny look, and I was learning how ultraviolet resin is working with this type of stickers, and actually works very well. I also added some drops to look like like real one. And this is 2 earrings, and then I have a couple landscapes, and I have some animals, and even mushroom has some little drops on the top, as you can see. So it makes the image like more alive. And also a cat I covered with some Mod Podge, and it sparkles. Like I try to kind of find the way just a little bit to make it more like sparkling. So these stickers are very good, and as I said, you can find them in some department where you can find when you can buy stickers for scrapbooks, like any type of stickers, but they very good adhesive stickers. So I'm very impressed. I'm very happy. Again, you can change the cord. It's not necessary to put on the cord. You can use some ribbon or anything you like, chain for example. But as you can see, the result is quite satisfactory. So I'm very happy about these stickers. And it was quite surprising to find another type of stickers, like clear stickers with some flowers. You actually can see it's like clear and very nice. So I found in Dollarama this like volume type like stickers. They 1 millimeters like thick and then white, and then actually has some sparkles. There are different type like this. Why I like it? Because it's already plastic, and I was thinking, what if I put together from both sides? So I stick them together, and I use the oven adhesive, like the oven glue inside. That's why it's really good stickers, I'm telling you. I didn't use any additional glue. And then like for some, the problem is that that the flowers are not the same size and not symmetrical. So I took 2 pairs of these stickers, and it cost like $1 per set. And for them, for some like this one, what I did, I actually added some paper. I glued some paper, and I covered with Mod Podge. And actually, this is one from the box of stickers where they were. And just like the stripes. And I made this type of like earrings. And for this one, I made this one earrings, like you see. This beautiful one. I didn't use any epoxy or varnish or whatever. So it's kind of natural, or not natural, but I mean, it's the way I bought them. And for this one as well, I put it on a paper. And then made a hole, and here we have. And I found it's really cute, really cute. This is like from both sides, because I was able to get 4 of this, and the same shape, the same size. And for this one, look at this. This is a very beautiful set. Also, it's from both sides. And the thickness is around like 2 millimeters, so which is good, and they protect it from water, and good quality, very light. I'm so happy. And I even made some studs like this one. As you can see, this is, I guess it's blueberry, a little like stud like this, some studs like flowers, and here. And I had somewhere else like blueberries here, and even like this one cute. I have like all pairs together, so I didn't put the pairs on a display. But again, cute earrings, cute collection. So you see, I try to experiment and learn more about different types of stickers, adhesive materials. It's easy to use. You can make this type of earrings even with kids. You can play. Kids actually love stickers. That's all for today, and I will continue to show some other ideas. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends or relatives, anyone you like. And also write me comments and what would you like to know. I answer all your questions. So see you in next video. Bye bye.